Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to categorize transactions in Copilot Money. If you're using this app to manage your finances, categorizing transactions is key to understanding your spending habits and staying on top of your budget. It's super straightforward once you know the steps, and I'll walk you through it quickly so you can get started right away. First off, what's Copilot Money? It's a user-friendly app designed for tracking expenses, income, and budgets all in one place. To begin, make sure you have the app downloaded and logged into your account on your phone or computer. Once you're in, head straight to the Transactions tab. That's where all your recent purchases and payments are listed in a neat timeline. Now, let's dive into the categorization process. Simply tap or click on the transaction you want to categorize. You'll see a details page pop up with various editing options. Look for the category field. It's usually right there at the top. Copilot Money offers a bunch of default categories like groceries, utilities, entertainment, or transportation to choose from. If nothing fits, you can easily create a custom category by selecting the Add New option and typing in your own label, such as online shopping or pet expenses. After selecting or creating your category, double-check the details for accuracy, maybe add a note if needed, and then hit the Save button. Boom! Your transaction is now properly categorized. One pro tip: do this regularly to keep your data clean. For instance, group all dining-related spends under Food and Dining to spot patterns over time. Categorizing transactions in Copilot Money not only helps with monthly reports but also makes budgeting a breeze. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.